So today I'm going to be transforming this nudie face into a full face of Armani Beauty, testing the new Vertigo Lift Mascara. So this video is going to be all about Armani Beauty. I have a load of products that they have sent me. So we're going to test out their eye tints, their concealer, basically the whole face. So I'm coming at you nudie faced, let's get started. So these are one of my favourite concealers. As you can see, this is definitely an empty. So I am usually the shade 5.75, although as we're practically run out of that, I'm going to use the 4.75 today. And for underneath the eyes, we're going to use the shade 3. So we're going to use both of them. But I find this concealer very lightweight, but still a lot of coverage. It's dewy, but it's matte at the same time. It's basically perfect. So that's why I turn to it a lot. And when I start to use other products, and then I remember this and I put it on, I'm like, why did I not keep on using this? So it's one that I turn to over and over again a lot. I'm gonna go in with the Armani Smooth Silk Eye Pencil in the shade 12. It's a dark brown, which I think is a little less harsh than black. So if you wanted a softer, more natural look, definitely go for brown, I think. And I'm just gonna go in the corner of the eyes, as you can see here. And then we've got a sponge on the other side, so I'm gonna blend it out. Now I understand I might look a bit crazy right now, but you've got to trust the process. This is the shade 25M, it's the Armani Eye Tint. Now if you're a novice in the eyeshadow area, these are so blendable. You literally dab, 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 dab. It just glides on like so smoothly. Honestly, trust this process. So this is a shimmery eye tint and I'm just going to pop it in the corner there. Just like open up this inner section of the eye, and I'm going to bring it right down to the waterline here. Is that what it's called? The little inny bits? The mascara, I can say, it is very lightweight. Like it's not a clumpy mascara. It's not like that big black spider-like mascara. It's very natural. It's very clean. I usually do about 2 coats of mascara. So I just wanted to share with you the difference in the eyes. And also, this is coat 1. Just brush the eyebrows through and popped actually the brown pencil through it just to darken it up a little bit and define it. So this is the Luminous Silk Concealer in the shade 3. Underneath the eyes, just to brighten up that under eye. Some around the nose and a bit here. I feel like you can start to see the look coming together now. This is the Melting Colour Balm Cheeks and Eyes, a blush creme and pura. Pura? I don't know if that's how I say it, but it's the shade 20 and it is literally a cross between a powder and a creme. Just going to contour with it and then down here. And then blend it all in. It's probably a little bit dark, but I like the texture. This is one of those things again where you've really got to trust the process. I just contour very lightly. Is this lightly? I don't know. And I do this on the side of the nose, and then I do it around it. And then, honestly, trust the process. This is very pigmented. So you only need a little bit of a tiny bit. I actually sometimes put it on my lips too, but today I like to put a bit on my nose to look a little bit sun-kissed. But yeah, sometimes I like to put it on my lips. It just like, you can blush it over quite nicely, but we've got a different vision for the lips today. But I feel like this is really starting to look good. Then I'm going to take the shimmer that we put on the eyes before and just run it across the cheekbones and then a bit underneath the eyebrow to like pop that eyebrow bone. Some in the corner. Just popping on the second coat of mascara. I feel like the second coat really is where the mascara starts to shine. Then I'm just going to go in the waterline with the brown pencil again. I find doing this with dark brown instead of black creates a much more natural look. So if you're wanting a more everyday vibe, but you still want the shape of that waterline, dark brown is your go-to. when I do it on the upper waterline as well, I feel like it really thickens the eyelashes up. So even if you don't suit the waterline, like colouring it in, do it on the top one underneath because it makes your top eyelashes look thicker. The pencil, again, we're going to go under the waterline, so not in it, but under the lash line, and then we're going to blend it out with the sponge. Then the very original eye tint, the shade 25M, we're just going underneath the eyes just to widen them a little bit. I feel like it really opens it up. Just going in with the bottom lashes. This is a great one for the bottom lashes because it's really quite natural. Like it doesn't clump, there's no cloggy bits. Very much, I cannot wait to put my lipstick on. I feel like nothing looks right until the lippy is on. Then to finish off the look, I've got the shade 109 Lip Power. It just, the final look, trust the process, honestly. So this is the final look. The new Vertical Lift Mascara is giving clean lift. It was right, no clumps, zero spidery lashes. I enjoy it a lot. It's very lightweight too. The Lip Power 109 is serving. Let me know in the comments if you like this look. I have to say, if you like the colour combination, I absolutely nailed with the lipstick and the eyeshadow. But you gotta trust the process, honestly. So everything I have used on the face today will be linked in the description box below, along with the shades. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again.